Hey, kid, all of us, you and I and that person and them and also, all of us have a great passion, something that we love so much for no reason other than we just came that way. We love it. For example, with Green Bear,
It's cookies.
and with Gilles the Giraffe, anything French, ooh la la. There you go. And with Dill the Pickle, Dill. And with Dill the Pickle, Dill. And with Dill the Pickle, one of his favorite things is Dill. Okay, we're having a bit of a technical difficulty with Dill right now. Ask me what my passion is. No, I don't want to. Yes, come on, you know you want to know. No, I don't want to know because you're just basically going to say, bad stew. No, I mean, I might surprise you. Okay, fine. All right, Witch Jefferson, what is your passion? My tiny witch collection. Oh, I was not expecting that. And bats too! Okay, I did expect that. So, you might be asking yourself, Storyteller, what is your passion? You're asking yourself, Storyteller, what is your passion? Green Bear?
Oh, sorry. Was that my cue?
That was totally your cue 2 times.
Oh, Storyteller, what is your passion?
Oh, well, thank you for asking, Green Bear. My passion is big, beautiful words because I love big words and I cannot lie. So I want to share my passion with you. Oh, wacky words, Whodunit, Hornswoggled, and you're thinking to yourself, what, Storyteller, that's not even a word. And what if I tell you that it is a word? You ready? I'm sharing my passion for big, beautiful words with you. Here we go. Oh, but wait. First, let's look under the cover, shall we? Look at that. Surprise! A totally different illustration. Hot tip from Storyteller here. Always look under the cover because sometimes we have a little illustrator surprise. Let's go. Oh, aardvark. You know, it's funny. We don't see aardvarks all that often in picture books, do we? It's nice to see the aardvark represented. Hornswoggled! A wacky words Whodunit, and Armadillo is going to be joining us. Deer knew something wasn't right. He felt lighter, uneven, less himself. But it wasn't until he looked in the mirror that he discovered the awful truth. This isn't my antler. Ba, ba, ba. I've been hornswoggled. Hornswoggled means to trick. Hornswoggled. Now you know what the big, beautiful word means. Oh, hornswoggle, hornswoggle. I love that word. Is it because you have horns? Yes, and what else? I am the one who hornswoggles. She is a total hornswoggler. So, Deer hoofed it over to his friend, Catfish, who was doing cannonballs in the creek. Catfish, Catfish, it's gone. What is? Can't you see? I mean, like, it's pretty obvious. Some cowardly critter stole my antler. Oh, sorry. I can't see anything without my glasses. But when she slipped them on, she discovered the awful truth. Not another awful truth. These aren't my glasses. Ba, ba, ba. What a load of codswallop. She didn't. She did. Codswallop means nonsense. Why would somebody put donuts on your face or stick a foreign object in your head, right? I mean, that's just crazy. I mean, I know I would totally notice if somebody did that to me. So they scurried over to Bison, who was kicking his feet up on the porch. Bison, Bison, there's a thief on the loose. A thief? He said. Let me grab my lucky boots. We'll catch up to the rascal in no time. But when he reached under his rocking chair, he discovered The awful truth! These aren't my boots! I've been buffaloed! Brr, brr, brr. Buffalo means to puzzle or confuse. That is just crazy talk. Flippers and missing glasses and strange things on people's heads. What is the world coming to these days? If you can get buffaloed, anyone can get buffaloed, really. So they skedaddled over to the mayor, who was playing croquet with his cabinet. Agreed. Total random rooster moment. Mayor, some villainous varmint is stealing our stuff. That's terrible, awful, offensively egregious. Oh, egregious. My, what another big, beautiful word. Fortunately, I've penned a prize-winning speech that will lift our spirits during these dark times. There's the cabinet looking very, slithery. But when he reached into his vest pocket, he discovered, not again, not another awful truth. This isn't my speech. Bark, bark, bark. This is poppycock. Poppycock, I say.
Humbug, snake oil.
Horse feathers. Hogwash. All of the above and then some. Poppycock? Nonsense. Humbug? More nonsense. Snake oil? Way more nonsense. Horse feathers? Is this even a word? Oh, yes. Yes, it is. Hogwash? So much nonsense. You have to take at least one of these words home and try it out. Just randomly toss it out at dinner, lunch, playground. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to be a hoot. Attendez! It is I, famous Belgian detective, Pierre Moufette. Pierre Moufette? Oh, Gilles, do you know Pierre Moufette? No, but he is French. Oh, yeah, that's right. All things French. This is not how we solve les mystères. We must look for clues. We must use logique. We must put on our thinking caps. Yes, our thinking caps. That's exactly what we need. Let's put them on. This isn't my thinking cap. I've been skunked. Ba, ba, ba. Skunk means to cheat. Although, if somebody has given you a free slice of cherry pie, have you been cheated? I guess it depends if you really wanted that hat.
No one is safe. Shh.
It's a crime spree! Where do we run now? This way and that way and that way and that way, and it's just chaos in the land, and everybody's screaming, and there's still a racket on his head, and why hasn't he noticed that there's a racket on his head? I would notice if there was a racket on my head. Then they discovered another awful truth. How many are there? Hey, that's my antler. Where? Oh, there it is.
And my glasses.
Oh, there they are. And my boots. Oh. Hey, Bison, I didn't know you had such, Valentine-y type of taste. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Oh, and my speech. There's a speech right there. And my zinking cap. Oh, there is the cap. Classic Sherlock Holmes little number right there. I know, it's shocking. And who is that? Are we looking at le culprit? Fox bowed with a flourish. It's true, she said. It was I who took your things, for I am the greatest trickster in the world. I have hoodwinked emperors and snookered kings. I have bamboozled princes and outwitted queens. Why, just last week I swapped out the crown jewels with a bag of marbles. Let me show you. Look at all their things are there, and they're all like, hoodwink means to trick. Snooker means to trap. Bamboozle, to cheat. Outwit means outsmart. These are such good words. I'm going to use them all in a random sentence one day, just randomly talking to someone at the grocery store and see what happens. You should do the same thing. But when Fox reached into her fanny pack, a fanny pack, really, she discovered the awful truth. Wah, wah, wah. aren't the crown jewels. I've been outfoxed. That's right. The fox was outfoxed. Somebody was more clever than the fox, but who? Who's left? It was the armadillo all along. Wah, wah, wah. An armadillo outfoxed. Outfoxed meaning to beat someone at their own game. And armadillo outfoxed the fox and got all the goods. And also, like, some serious crown jewels here. Very well done, armadillo. The end. I guess you could say that the fox's passion was outfoxing people, but was not that good at it. But I'm extremely good at words, and I hope that I have passed on my passion for words to you. Codswallop, 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 codswallop. It looks like Dill learned a word, but I think he's still not fully operational. I liked all these words. Oh. Did you now? Is it because the words are all a little bit wicked? Maybe. Because I like to bamboozle and hornswoggle and... That was hornswoggle. That's what I said. No, you said hornswoggle. Oh, no. I said hornswoggled. I know what I said. And I was right, and you're wrong, and I'm going to go hang out with my witch collection and my bats. Goodbye, and I'm going to bamboozle you when you least expect it. I expect it like virtually every day. All right, kid, I hope you loved these words. Pick one and just try it out, because what's funner than a little wacky words whodunit? See you next time, kid, on KidTime StoryTime, where we like big words and we cannot lie.